Hey guys, Hisham here. I'll be talking in this video like why using less AI and automation will make you more money. Let's get straight into it. Basically, you have limited time and resources. AI automation and agents are becoming so freaking noisy in social media, and especially on YouTube. Everyone trying to sell AI infrastructures, AI automation, AI businesses because everyone is trying to make money because it's called the AI gold rush, and people are selling shovels to the less known people. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Everyone says it, yes, but I'm just here as educational purposes. I'm just like giving what I learned with AI throughout this year of running my own AI automation agency. And what I remarked, or what I have as a remark, is basically AI should be used as an amplifier of work outputs and not a replacer of work. Think of AI as AI automation, of course, as a extension of your brain or work capacity. It's just because imagine if you had um, a system where you can put one input and you produce one output. It's because that's like the system you created. For example, this is the lead gen system of your agency. For example, if you send 10 messages, you might get one booked call. This is like the most simplest thing I can think of, to be honest. If you don't send any messages by hand, like if these 10 messages are related to your you being on a desk and writing those messages and sending them out, you wouldn't get this booked call. But imagine if you had, for example, a automation that would basically help you scrape the lead list that you had, prepare for you some like notes about the person. You write the messages on a spreadsheet, and then you quickly send those messages quickly. Like if it takes you, for example, 1 hour to send these messages, like for example, super customized, and after AI, or if after AI automation, to be honest, you would have at least 10 minutes of input. So basically, I'm talking about like using AI to gain time here. So if after that you basically reduced your time by 15 minutes, you would basically gain tenfold of what you were doing. And in 1 hour of time, you can 6x your inputs. So if it was taking you, just to make it on simpler terms, if it was taking you 1 hour to send 10 messages, and now after using AI, it takes you only 10 minutes, like for example, 1 minute per message. So in 60 minutes, you would be able to send 60 super personalized messages with ease just because you automated some part of your process. This is just a wild example that I had in mind just to calculate and to illustrate my points. What I'm trying to get here is do not try to replace the whole system of yours. For example, hey, I want an AI agent replying to my emails because I saw XYZ make 10K a month with an AI agent. That does not exist, to be honest. Of what I see, like after specifically 8 months from January till today, before the first day of August, no one is using like the people who are making 10K dollars a month and upwards are not using AI to do 100% of their job. So, for example, if you were to, I mean, one other use case of AI that I personally use whenever I have a cold email response, because I'm running cold email campaigns, if I have a cold email response, how I'm using automation. I have anything sending me a webhook, like a notification, to my Slack. You may say like this is simple, automation that does not bring anything to the table. But no, it basically helps me get notified on my phone about a new lead that came in. And by the way, this also adds the lead to my CRM. So it adds it to my CRM. So less admin work. So this is super simple. It basically helps me get notified on my phone that I have a new lead. I have the Instantly Unibox app on my phone. I respond to the lead under 5 minutes. And this alone makes me more money than what I was doing before, which was trying to automate the whole lead gen system from A to Z, from lead scraping to getting responses. This alone is making me tenfold more money than what I was doing. Because, for example, this may increase your conversion rate by 50%, and if you automate your whole system, it may increase it by 5% if it's good. That was my point. This is a super short video, like under 6 minutes to under 7 minutes, to illustrate an idea that I had and I wanted to share with you guys. So these videos are going to be way more inclined for people using AI automation in business, because this is the thing that excites me the more and that I know the more in because I have more knowledge in this, and I'll be basically basing my videos around this, showcasing specific use cases to this. So if you like this, subscribe, and wow, bye. I don't have anything to say, by the way. Ciao.